Here's the thing nobody said out loud yet. Nobody has practiced for this test. There is no kid out there with 3 years of adaptive SHSAT practice. It doesn't exist, which makes this the most level the SHSAT has been in years. And the people who do well are just going to be the ones who understood the format early. 4 things. Here's the whole week. First is 20 minutes a day on a screen. And then is 1 line in a notebook after every set. Then there's a full 3 hours sitting on a weekend. And then finally the diagnostic, so you know where you actually stand. Only one of those takes longer than 20 minutes. 1. 20 minutes a day on a screen and you don't go back. Put a sticky note over the back arrow if you have to, or just make the rule with yourself. Once I've picked, I don't touch it. 20 minutes with that rule beats 2 hours without it. You're building a reflex, and reflexes need repetition. They don't need just blind hours. The second part, sit the whole 3 hours once before October. 3 hours total for English and math, and you can split that time however you want. Do it once, not for the math, because most people have never sat still and concentrated for 3 hours in their life. Finding that out in October is expensive, but finding it here in August is free. The third thing, after every set, write down 1 line, which is the step you missed, not the subject. So bad at ratios is not really that good. What's better is that I set up the equation up backwards, which is actually fixable tonight. If you do that for a week, the same sentence will show up 3 times, and that sentence is going to be the one that's actually costing you points. 4. Find out where you actually stand. There's a free diagnostic on the site. It takes about 30 minutes, and at the end, it gives you a predicted SHSAT score plus the 1 reasoning mistake you keep making. Not that you're bad at word problems, it's actually the step you keep skipping, which is exactly the thing I just told to write down yourself. So you should do this before school starts so you know what you're working with. And then, heads up, this is also for parents, just honestly send it to yours. That's the list. 20 minutes on a screen, and once I've picked, I don't touch it. 1 full sitting, 1 line after every set, and then the diagnostic once this week. The last thing is that everyone taking this test is in the same boat as you, because nobody has done the adaptive version yet. The people who do well are just going to be the ones who understand the format early. You did just that in August, and most of your grade will find out in September. The link's in the description. Go find out where you stand. And thank you, and I'll see you again next time.